Hey there, Tamir from פיבונאצ'י.com here, pre-market live. It's June 26th, ladies and gentlemen. 3 more days and 3 more trading days, and this month, this half of 2024 is behind us. Are you ready for the next half? Let's whoop up. Are you ready for the second half of 2024? Say hi, don't be shy. For those who don't know, my name is Tamir, Fibonacci Traders. I'm an experienced full-time trader with experience of more than 7 years using Fibonacci trend lines and of course price action and multi-time frame. So if you're new here, welcome to my channel. And if you don't know, this is the Fibonacci Traders channel. This is the Fibonacci Traders YouTube channel. This is our channel. It's yours, same as it's mine. We have just a little above 4,400 subscribers, more than 1,100 videos. Each and every day I post 2 trading day review, one in English, one in Hebrew. I post it around 12 a.m. Eastern time, and Israel time it's around 8 a.m. Israel time. So subscribe, hit the notification bell so you won't miss any future videos and lives. And of course we have the playlist, the Fibonacci Academy playlist. We have around 39 videos on how to become a better trader on the technical side and on the mental side, the psychology behind trading, all from my experience. So check it out, it's free. Before you take any other course, any other paid services, check it out, it's free. And of course we have the Fibonacci Traders Discord. This is the Fibonacci Traders Discord. We have the only Discord in the world, I think. We have trading floor, 2 trading floors, multi-language, one in English, one in Hebrew. We have trading floor for day traders. We have trading floor for swing traders, for options, for crypto, special requests, and same goes for the Hebrew trading floor. If you don't want to trade alone, if you want to join an elite team of traders, you need to check the links in the description below. Join the Fibonacci Traders Discord today, and I promise you, you will start see things you never saw before, and you will start be profitable. So who else is with me? Who did I miss? Hi Avishai. Never say hi. Don't. It's not shy. It's Avishai. Say hi. Sharon. Hi. Who else is with me? Avi, Amir, Moshe, Yuval, Ruby, Orin. Hey. Long time no see. Ruby, Atamaxim, Itzik, Ami. Hey everybody, thank you very much for joining this live. This live will be in English because we know every Monday and who else is with me? Avi, Amir. You need to be quiet. Monday and Wednesday we are doing pre-market live in English. Thursday and Tuesday it's in Hebrew. Good morning, Lital. So what do we have? Pre-market. We had some kind of a gap up, and this gap just got filled. Now let's see, can the US 500, the SPX futures can hold the 50% retracement together with this trend line? Otherwise, 54.61, 54.55, and 54.45. This is how it looks on the 15 minutes time frame. US 500 is the SPX futures. It's not the ES, it's not the contracts. If you trade contracts, you need to go and check the ES, not the US. It's the ES for contract, the E-mini S&P futures. This is for contracts. If you are trading contracts, this is the US 500. Now below the 54.64, we will see 54.58. To the downside. Overall, we are below sell signal in the futures. Bitcoin yesterday inside candle. Now this candle, today's candle, some kind of a doji. Let's see where it's heading. For now, we are below the yellow zone, nothing much on Bitcoin. Bitcoin, as you can see, we talked about this double top scenario in the past 3 weeks. Since the end of May, we talked about this double top scenario. 58,500 is the support. Below it, 55 and 50 to the downside. SPY. If you still didn't saw my daily market recap, you know that the SPY is 5 consecutive days consolidation between the 541 and the 548. Let's see if it will break to the downside. We are heading to close the gap at the 535, breaking above the 548. We will see 557 and 570, 567. QQQ yesterday 1.14 to the upside, but as you can see, trend lines from support to resistance to support to resistance. Now breaking below yesterday's lows, below this trend line, we are heading to close the gap at the 467. What else do we have? NU. Let's check NU. Just hit the like, subscribe, ladies and gentlemen. This is all I ask in return. I give you all the knowledge that I know. I try to reply to all your requests and all your questions. The only thing I want in return and I ask in return is you subscribe and hit the notification bell, and we see that the SPY futures are going down. Now it's heading towards the 544. Let's see if the 544 will hold, and then we will look for the bounce back. NU, yesterday's inside candle, pre-market now at the high of yesterday's. The 1261 is the resistance, above it 13, 1232 is the support. Reddit for Avi. Reddit yesterday was a very nice bounce. Now all we need to see is continuation above yesterday's highs, the 50% retracement towards the 63.30 and 66, while 59.50 is the support. What else do we have? Amir, thank you very much. Moshe, thank you very much. Hi Yuval. Everything goes down, everything goes up. This is how the market goes. The only thing we need to control is our risk management. No one knows what will happen next. All you need to do is ask yourself, what if, and always prepare for the worst case scenario. Check, for example, hi Ruby, Orin, Ruby, what's up, Ata Maxim. Let's check, for example, ABBV. Okay, no one knows what will happen next, right? The only thing we can do is try to read price action and use the FTI, Fibonacci traders system, to identify support and resistance for future price action. I don't need any other lagging indicators from all these technical indicators because they are all lagging. I want to know what if and what will happen to price in the future. Let's check ABBV. Look at ABBV, 173.40, very tough resistance. This is the support, the 169.17, right? What if ABBV will break below this support? 90% chance it will go to the 165.80. What will happen if ABBV will break above the 173.40? 85-90% chance it will go to the 178.80 to the upside. This is all we need to do. Put the FTI, use Fibonacci or the normal Fibonacci. You don't want to use the FTI? Be my guest. If you know how to use the normal, look at this. Swing high, swing low, swing high. Same goes for here. Just learn how to use Fibonacci. If you want to learn how to use Fibonacci, just check the links in the description below. Choose your path. This is all we need to do. Ask ourselves, what if, and always prepare for the worst case scenario. Why we prepare for the next case scenario? Because we want to know and we need to understand on ourselves how much am I willing to lose on each and every trade. Let's take, for example, Marvel, MRVL. Let's clean the chart a little bit. This is only my drawings for my point of view. Check Marvel. For example, if you don't want to use the FTI, be my guest. What do you see? Look left. Try to identify support and resistance. All this area, you can clearly see it's a very important area of support, right? Below it, we have this area of support. Below it, this area of support. Now let's check few potential areas of resistance. All this area, we can identify it as a very tough resistance, right? Very important area of resistance. Above it, we can say this one here. Above it, this one here. Above it, this one here, right? So now, if we are looking to go long or short on MRVL, Marvel technology, all we need to do is ask ourselves, what if? What if Marvel will break below the 67 area? Most likely, 85% chance it will go and retest this area. We have also another area of support over here. This one will retest the 65.70. Downtrend continuation, 63, 61.60. What if we want to go long on Marvel? We need at least a candle close above this area, above the 70 area, right? Because if we look left, always look left, trade right. You look left, it was a very difficult resistance. We need a break above and a daily close above it, and then we can start taking long. Never be biased. Always prepare for both sides. Hi Udi, Arik, hi, Edik. Thank you very much for joining. Mr. Ro'i Dayan wants mankind. Let's check mankind. What do we see on mankind? Let's clean the chart. We have here a very nice uptrend channel. Let's check the FTI. One click away and you have everything that you need. You can also add the Fibonacci trend lines on the chart. And what do we see? We have the upper border of this uptrend channel. Yes, on Monday, mankind tried to break above it. Yesterday, Tuesday, got an inside candle, back inside. Now, the 510 area is the support. As if you are already long on this name, as long as it's above the 510 area, you're good to go long. If you're not long yet, I would wait to see how this day will end. Hi Alon, thank you very much. Hi Danny. Eddie wants Annette. Let's check Annette. And hit the like, hit the subscribe, ladies and gentlemen. Help me grow this channel. This channel is for everyone. Annette, what do we see? Let's clean the chart a little bit. As you can see, everything is adjustable. The FTI, everything is surrounds and everything is about Fibonacci. You can check. All these are Fibonacci numbers. All these the Fibonacci support resistance for future price action. You can also adjust this time frame according to the time frames that you are trading. And it will give you everything. Annette, in the past, how long? 6, 7 trading days holding nice above the 324 area. Now let's see continuation above the 334 and we will see 345 and then 360 and 380. Overall, if you're long on this name, as long as you're holding above the 324.60, you're good to go long. Danny wants Nvidia, PLTR and SE. Let's check SE. You know why, Danny? Because PLTR and Nvidia, you can go and check my YouTube, the Fibonacci Traders YouTube channel. PLTR and Nvidia, I talked about in the morning's market recap. You have it in Hebrew also. You are more than welcome to check it. SE, yesterday, broke to the downside with a gap. Now the 50% retracement is holding. If you're already long on SE, in my opinion, if I were you, I would put my stop loss just below yesterday's lows. If you're not long yet, I would prefer another daily close above the 72.45. And of course, everything that you hear is my opinion only. Please do your own due diligence. Always do your own due diligence. And here we are, 544. You remember we drew it. We said we are looking for a bounce of the 544 area. We can be a little bit more accurate. on the Fibonacci. This is the swing low. This is the swing high. Retracement 618, 544. Can it hold? Let's see. This is the SPY 15 including extended hours. What else do we have? Mankind we talked about. Annette, high. Can you check? Can I check what? Wait. Can I check? PCVX. Seems stuck. If you're not long yet, I would wait for a break above the 77. If you're already long, as long as you're above this red line, you are good to go long. Depends where you entered. But if you're not long yet, I would wait for a break above the 77. Pan W. As you can see, let's clean the chart a little bit. As you can see, this area, the 327 area, is a very tough resistance. I'm still waiting for a daily close above this area. We are already 2 weeks of sideways move between the 311 and the 326. Breaking below the 311 and the same price action we saw over here to the upside, most likely we will see the same price action to the downside back to the 296. Ben is asking, how are you handling with the hours between China, the time difference between China and America? What are the hours that you're trading? What do you think about CVNA? Will be pullback or long continuation? First, I'm working. How do I handle? I got used to it. This is my job. I'm working since now, as you can see, since I'm starting the pre-market live, 8:30 p.m. China time, which is 8:30 a.m. New York time, until the market is closed. It's 4 a.m. China time. I'm going to sleep around 4:15, 4:30 in the morning every day. China time. This is my life. This is my life. This is what I chose. This is my job. So it's difficult, but we get used to it. And I'm trading only according to the US hours. This is how I do it. Let's check CVNA. I hope I answered your question about the time difference. Now let's answer your question about CVNA. CVNA in the past few trading days looks super bullish. We are bearish on the weekly. It will. Why? Because it will. I think it's a glitch in the FTI. It will, after the market will open, it will become bullish. Overall, super bullish on all time frames, long continuation, and we will meet 138, 150, and 180. As long as we are above the 116 area, we are good to go long on CVNA. Amazon for Avishai. Amazon is a member. I go over Amazon each and every day on the daily market recap. So please hit the notification bell and watch it, because I go over all the big names and more. Amazon basically moving sideways, nothing much between the 184 and the 187. As you can see, sideways move breaking below the 184, and this double top scenario will start getting validated back to the 180 and 173. For now, I don't see any long on Amazon. David wants Nvidia. Nvidia also is a member of my everyday market recap, so please hit the notification bell and watch it, and you will save yourself these questions and you can ask other names. Nvidia, I want to see continuation above yesterday's highs towards 130, 270, and 140. Below the 117, we will see this trend line together with the 112 and maybe back retesting and closing the gap at the 95.90. What else do we have? CEG. Let's check CEG. Avi, if I will have time, I will go back to Dell also. Don't worry. I want to give more people the chance to ask questions. CEG Let's see continuation above the 221 area towards the 226 and 236. Overall mixed signals, but on the short term, CG looks good for long continuation as long as it's above the 216 area. CPRT. How about those likes, ladies and gentlemen? How about those subscribes? CPRT now with a doji at the upper border of this uptrend channel, some kind of retracement pullback will not be surprising. Maybe retesting the 54.60, but if you're already long, congratulations, your stop loss. Just put the FTI on your chart and the FTI gives you a suggestion. It's not an advice, it's just a suggestion, the green label, where to put your stop loss long continuation, and we will see 56 and 57 towards the what else do we have? What else? Pan W we talked about, Magnificent 7 Danny we talked about. I'm talking about it every day in the morning. SE we talked about. Why the market is going down? It's only SPY is going down 0.14, QQQ 0.1, IWM 0.46, and the Dow Jones only 0.23. Ladies and gentlemen, this is the stock market. Nothing goes up forever. You will see red, you will see green. You can start the day on the red side and the market can close on the green side. You can start the day on the green side and the market can end the day on the red side. This is the stock market. This is the volatility. It's like a roller coaster. It goes up, it goes down, it goes up, it goes down. This is the stock market. What else do we have? NET. Hi Zorik, my friend. How are you this morning? NET look pretty good as long as you're above the 77.30. Uptrend until proven otherwise towards this gap at the 85.40 to the upside. Camtech. Let's check Camtech. Try to break below this uptrend channel. Yesterday, Tuesday, broke up again and got back inside. As long as you're above the 113.50, you're good to go long. Bearish on the daily doesn't mean we need to go short. It just means if you're not long yet on Camtech, maybe it's time to wait. Wait for what? Wait for a break above the 117.60. What else? Thank you very much for saying thank you, Shoval. Itzik that wants W day. Let's check W day. Struggling with this downtrend line. I want to see continuation above the 220 and then 224. Above 224, we will see 237, in my opinion, of course. Above 237, this gap, 85% chance, will get filled. MicroStrategy, we talked about. I'm talking about MicroStrategy also every day. Ladies and gentlemen, you need to go and check the Fibonacci channel, the Fibonacci Traders YouTube channel. Once again, every day around 8 a.m. Israel time, 12 a.m. New York time, I'm posting 2 stock market daily, the daily stock market review. One in English, one in Hebrew. I go over, I will show you now. I go over all these names. Wait, I show you. All these names that you're asking live. If you just go, you will see them already 8 hours ago. SPY, QQQ, Dow Jones, IWM, Bitcoin, Ethereum, oil, Magnificent, the MAGS, SOXX, KRE, XLE, Microsoft, Apple, Nvidia, AMD, Netflix, Google, Palantir, Meta, Amazon, AVGO, Eli Lilly, Shopify, and of course, SMCI, MicroStrategy, and Tesla. So please hit the subscribe and you will get your answers every day, 8 a.m. Israel time. MicroStrategy, until proven otherwise, we are in a downtrend. What else do we have? What else? If I missed anybody, I'm sorry. What else do we have? What else? MicroStrategy we talked about. GCT. Let's talk about GCT. GCT looking not good. Bearish on the daily, bullish on the weekly, but mixed signals. We don't like mixed signals. We like everything red or everything green. The 30-50 area, the lower border of the yellow zone is a very tough was a very important area of support. Now resistance below the 28, 2660 and 2460 to the downside. Arm looking very, very good. Holding above the yellow zone, above the 152 area in the past 2 weeks or so. Long continuation above 163 and we will see 177. Breaking above the 152, you will see 144 and 136 to the downside. Jumaya, the African, we can say the African Amazon. We talked about Jumaya beginning of June, middle of June. We remember, do you remember this red line? We talked about this red line, that once it will reach this red line, we will get some kind of a pullback. And here we are, already pulled back. From here, we pulled back 34%. Ladies and gentlemen, 34 is a Fibonacci number. Fibonacci support the 690, below it 570. If you're already long on this name, depends where you entered. It's time, maybe for now, to say bye-bye to this long. 34% in just 2 weeks of trading. It's not a pullback. Let's check into. Long continuation above the 634 towards the gap at the 660. 617 is now the support. CMG. When is this? Already did split. Nice. CMG. When was the split? When was it? Forgot to check it. CMG looking good. Long continuation above 66 towards 67 and 69 to the upside. Overall, we are above this trend line. And as long as we are above the red trend line, the way for CMG is up. Hi Aviv, thank you very much. I'm doing good. How are you, my friend? Hope all is quiet. Silver, SLV, downtrend until proven otherwise. Below the 2620, you will see 25 and 24. You have here this channel that shows you that you are in a short-term downtrend. 1 month of a downtrend. Palantir we talked about, Erez. We talked about Palantir. Palantir also. It's we talked about Palantir. Yeah, we talked about Palantir in the beginning of this live, and every morning, once again, hit the notification bell and you will get the notification for my daily market recap. Palantir is one of those stocks that I'm going through. VST, this area, very tough resistance. That 91.70 area, very tough resistance. If bulls will give up, eventually, if they will not succeed to break above it, they will give up, and then the 87 will break towards the 82 and 75. If you want to go long on this name, in my opinion, wait for a weekly close above the 91.70. What else? You're right, you were on live, so I wanted to ask. I did miss this morning video. All good, Choval? All good. Arik, Netflix. Also, in the morning video, Netflix, as long as we are inside this diamond, nothing much on Netflix. Breaking above this green line, we are heading north inside this channel. Breaking below this red line, we are heading south in this channel. Trend lines are a part of channels. Channels are a part of broadening formation. And if you want to learn how to trade, if you want to really learn how to trade and not ask random YouTubers or random tweeters or random, I don't know, Facebookers or Instagrammers or TikTokers. If you really want to learn, first, you are more than welcome to join the one-on-one live mentorship program with me. No one else. It's with me, live. Me and you together, live. 4 sessions. Each session between 1.5 hours to 2 hours. Depends on you, depends on me. We are going from the beginning of the beginning. We start from the basement up until we learn how to use proper Fibonacci and trend lines and how to read price action like a pro. And of course, you get lifetime access to me, lifetime access to all Discord channels. Now, this is also in Hebrew or in English, depends on you. And we have the same thing, the online expert program. It's the same thing as the mentorship program, but it's just pre-recorded. And you will also get lifetime access for support guidance from me. And you will get access to all the Discord channels. And now it's with 13% discount. It's available in English. If you prefer in English, I will put here in English, or same thing in Hebrew. And of course, Hebrew and English, just put this code to get 13% discount. So join me today, and I assure you, you will start seeing things you never saw before, and you will start become your own indicator, and you will see that you will become profitable trader. SLB, still holding long this name. Yesterday with an inside candle, I'm looking for continuation above yesterday's highs towards 49 and 50.80 to the upside, when 46.60 and 45.70 are the support. Chemtech we talked about. Shy wants GNRC. Let's check GNRC. Looking not good. Just looking not good. Below the 135, we are heading south to the 130, bearish on all time frames. And VMY, Chemtech we talked about, so you're more than welcome to check the live. From the beginning, we talked about Chemtech. And VMY still inside an uptrend channel. Let's see continuation above yesterday's highs towards the 243, 253, bullish on all time frames. Looking pretty good, this name. What else do we have? Today was the split. Boom, nice. I will put it. Let's check CMG on my watch list. 0.76% pre-market. Split today was a pre-market. Okay, thank you very much. You see why I love these lives? Because you help me, I help you. What else? AAON. AAON breaking this uptrend channel. Now let's see continuation above yesterday's highs, and we are going to 85% chance to close this gap. Looking pretty good, his name AAON. Thank you, Ruby. AVDX still holding long this name. I'm with you, Zorik. As long as we are above the 1114, we are good to go. Broke 2 days, breaking continuation above this trend line, long continuation above yesterday's highs, and we'll close this gap at the 1186, and then 12, and then 1247, but no one knows what will happen. All we need to do is manage our risk. We had also Dell, Avi, I'm back to Dell. Dell looking for now not good. We need to close this gap. For now, no long on Dell. What else did we have? If Disney breaks the and keep above, Disney, let's check Disney for Aviv. Disney broke this downtrend channel, but moving sideways, nothing much on Disney. In my opinion, only above the 104.20, and then we can start taking long on this name. Let's check the last 55 days on Disney. This is not, it's too, let's take the last 34 days on Disney. As you can see, from the gap to the recent low, only above the 104.60, and then we can start taking long on Disney. SOXX. If you want to know SOXX, this is SOXX. Uptrend, until proven otherwise, needs to hold the 243.80. Below it, this gap will get filled. So once again, ladies and gentlemen, thank you very much. Not holding. Breaking below. We are heading south today. We are going to see some red. This is the SPY 65. Now pre-market below the 544. Continuation to the downside, we will see 542. Below it, 540. Overall, in the past 3 trading days, Friday, Monday, and Tuesday, nothing much price action. Something needs to give. For now, we are heading south. It looks like we can take trend lines that shows us that for now, you can see in the short term, since last Thursday, the way is south. This area needs to hold the 453, and then this one here, this one here, this one here, and this one here, and then this gap. Let's see. Let us see. So once again, thank you very much, everybody. I do appreciate each and every one of you for joining this live. Hit the notification bell because we might go live once again. 6:59 Israel time, 11:59 Eastern time. Midday market halftime show. Live once again. Until the next live, until the next video. Stay safe.